How many of you are familiar with the term micro habits? These are small habits that can lead to big changes. In today's video, we're going to discuss micro survival habits for real estate investors. As a real estate investor, it is important to have daily habits that keep you going and keep you surviving. So, in this video, we're going to go over some micro habits that you can implement into your life that will help you survive and be successful as a real estate investor. So the first one is get up every day and hit the ground running. Don't wait for motivation to strike. Instead, get up and start working on your goals. Motivation is great when you have it, but you shouldn't rely on it to get things done. So instead of waiting around for motivation to strike, get up and start working towards your goals. As a real estate investor, time is of the essence. The longer you wait to get started, the longer it will take you to reach your financial goals. So get up and hit the ground running. Next one is protect your buyers. Look out for their best interest. Put yourself in their shoes and try to see things from their perspective. Sometimes, as investors, we get so caught up in making a profit that we forget about the people that we are serving. So, take the time to understand your buyers' needs and wants and make sure that you are providing them with the best possible service. This will not only help you to build a strong relationship with your buyers, but it will also help you to close more deals. So remember to put your buyers first, and you will be rewarded in the long run. Next one is make it easy for people to say yes to you. When you are asking for something that you want, make it easy for the other person to say yes. This means being clear about what you are asking for, being respectful of the other person's time, and being willing to negotiate. It also means being aware of the other person's needs and wants and trying to find a way to meet them. If you can make it easy for someone to say yes to you, they are more likely to do it. This is a powerful way to get what you want in life, so use it wisely. Next one is simple. Just pick up the phone and call. Don't wait until you feel like it or until you think you are ready. Call now. It is the best way to get in touch with people, and it is the most effective way to get what you want. You never know who you might connect with and what opportunities might come your way. So don't wait any longer. Pick up the phone and start calling today. Next one is be relentless in your follow-up. When you are pursuing something that you want, don't give up after the first or even the second no. Keep following up until you get what you want. This doesn't mean being annoying or pushy, but it does mean being persistent and determined. So don't give up easily. Keep following up and you will eventually get what you want. And lastly is educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more you will be able to achieve. There is no substitute for knowledge. So take the time to learn everything you can about real estate investing. Read books, attend seminars, talk to other investors. The more you know, the better prepared you will be for whatever challenges come your way. So these are just a few of the micro habits that can help you survive as a real estate investor. If you can develop these habits, you will be well on your way to success. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing!